If you want to download development tools on itch.io, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're looking for game engines, art tools, audio tools, or other helpful development resources, itch.io makes it easy to browse and download software that creators use every day. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to itch.io. Once the website loads, look at the top left of the page and click Browse. This opens the main category menu for the site. From the dropdown, choose Game Development. This is where itch.io organizes tools and resources related to making games and building projects. After that, you'll see a list of available development tools and related downloads. Take a moment to scroll through and pick any tool that looks useful for what you need. You can click on a tool to open its page and view more details, screenshots, and download options. When you find the one you want, go ahead and download it from the project page. Depending on the tool, you may see a direct download button or additional instructions from the creator. Just follow those prompts and save the file to your device. That's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can find and download development tools from itch.io without any confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.